y'all? It's Tennessee Nikki girl. Okay, today we eating Mama Ray Ray's Lay's barbecue mustard baked pork chops. It's a mouthful, girl, but it's so good. So we finna try this thing. We finna try it. I got my little chips right here. She love lemon, so I just got that right there. And I got a little pork chop right there. And I got me a little drinky drink right here. Okay. Let me say my grace. Amen. Okay. If you hear some little chewing, that's probably my dog eating one of his little treats. Okay. But yeah, I did a little, y'all should have seen my little video on this baked pork chop. Right here. Oh, this a crust came off of it. Girl, yeah. That is good. Go ahead, Mama Ray Ray. Mama Ray Ray, go ahead, girl. That was good. Yeah, she came up with them. I didn't come up with it. Mama Ray Ray came up with them. So what y'all doing out there today? Huh? You did what? With who? No, I'm playing. Girl, you playing. But, what's today? Today, May 1st. Don't they call May 1st May Day? Or something like that? May Day? I can't remember. But I think they call it May Day. Today, May 1st. Cinco de Mayo coming up. What y'all gonna do? What y'all doing for Cinco de Mayo? Cinco de Mayo, everybody swear they know Spanish. They swear they do. I don't, but I love Cinco de Mayo. I might do ooh, I probably go live or something. Girl, yeah. I might go live. Y'all making some margaritas or something. I'm gonna see how Mama Ray be eating these lemons. She be eating them like it's just candy. Let me see them. Girl, she's like, I don't know how she do it like that. That's sour. It's still sour. But it's a good kind of sour, especially like if you're eating something salty. I can deal with that. Oh, I didn't give y'all a bite, girl. I'm so, ooh. You can tell I'm new to this. Get your bite of that. Look at that. Let me see. It's the kind of camera. Camera. Get your bite of that. Look at that. Get your bite. Yeah, girl, you can tell. You can tell, girl, somebody new to it. You don't know what you doing. I'm up here. Oh, you can get a piece of there. Look at that. She cute. She cute. She so good. For real, I ain't lying. She so good. And she tender. My tender on it. She tender. She tender. I mean, you can make you some rice or some corn or something with it. You ain't gotta eat no chips and no lemons. I'm just doing this because, you know, Mama Ray Ray did that, and I'm just doing it because Mama Ray Ray did it. But you can eat whatever size you want: mashed potatoes, broccoli and cheese, whatever. Whatever you want to eat with it. Y'all got plans for Mother's Day? All the mothers out there. All the mothers out there. Y'all got plans? I hope y'all do. I'm hoping it's pretty out there for Mother's Day. For real. Ooh. Girl, it's sour. But it's good. It's a good sour. You heard of that before? It's a good sour. But I can see me like really starting to like it though, because I can, you know, you got that tart. I like tart. I like tart. Yeah, girl. But yeah, so Cinco de Mayo's coming up, and then Mother's Day. So I hope y'all have plans. I'm trying to plan stuff. I'm trying to see what I'm gonna cook. Cause I am gonna cook on Mother's Day because I like to cook. So I am gonna cook, but I probably won't do it on camera. But I probably cook something on Mother's Day. And then go take my wonderful mother her gift. She's a sweetie. My mama's a mean sweetie though. Like she like will cuss you out at the same time, ask you do you need anything. She that kind of sweet. She that kind of sweet. Y'all know anybody like that? Like they'll cuss you out, and in the same breath, baby, you need anything? Girl, y'all. This pork chop is hitting. This thing is hitting, y'all. I'm telling you. Look at y'all. It's hitting. Hold on. Get some of my drinky drink. That drinky drink, girl. But y'all, today it's beautiful outside. My allergies was acting up earlier. I don't know what kind of pollen out there today, because I went to the store this morning. Girl, like I was crying. Like I said, like I was in color purple all my life. No, I'm just playing. But I was crying. I mean, I wasn't crying, but it seemed like I was crying. Then I started sneezing. I was like, what the world going on out here? I said, let me help me get up out the stove, for they think I got something. I mean, it stopped, but I said, I don't know what kind of pollen out there. In Tennessee, we bad for pollen. So if anybody visits, make sure you bring your junk. If you got allergies or whatever, bring something just in case. Cause we got that new type pollen. Now, ain't no new type pollen, but your allergies will flare up. If you like, dang, I don't got allergies, but when you come here, you might have some allergies. I don't know why, but make sure you got you some eye drops. Make sure you got something, you know, if you catch a headache, got something for headaches, or, you know, something that's for allergies or whatever. Because it's springtime, everything blooming. Everything is beautiful here. Don't get me wrong, it's beautiful. But you're going to pay for it. I'm going to pay for it, one way or the other. You're going to pay for it. Y'all, I'm starting to get addicted to these doggone lemons. Ooh. Woo, girl. That sour do something to you. That sour do something to you. Well, yeah, y'all. This was good, especially if you're trying to trick your kids into eating some meat because they won't eat meat. Tell them you putting their chips on now. Say, baby, mama putting your chips on there. You gonna eat it? They more than likely gonna eat it because you put something on there they like. For real, for real. They more likely gonna eat it. It's good. And then they gonna start asking, can you fit me some of that pork chop with the tater chip? For real. But yeah, girl, this is good. Ooh. Ooh. That lemon hit different. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord. This pork chop is good. Yeah. Mm-hmm. 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 Mm. You know how people start dancing when something tastes good? They be like, I feel it. I feel it. But yeah, y'all. You know your girl done got full. I'm telling you, I don't know how you be big and get full fast. I got full. It was good. Mama Ray, good creation. That was good. Mm-hmm. And I might start having to put lemons on my plate when I'm cooking whatever. Them lemons hit different. I mean, it'd be like sour. But it's like that good sour, that good twang. Mm-hmm. That good twang. But yeah, y'all. Thank y'all for tuning in with me on this Saturday, y'all. I really enjoyed y'all. I really appreciate y'all, and I love y'all. If y'all haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Comment. I love to hear y'all comments. Please hit that like button. Most of all, hit that bell to be notified every time I come on live. Well, not live, but anytime. When I come on anytime, it'll let you know. But I really appreciate y'all. I hope y'all stay safe out there. I love y'all. And I'm going to see you again next time. Bye-bye.